Hi, this is a 6-pin optocoupler used in electronics board where isolation is required between two circuits. The small dot marking indicates pin 1, next is pin 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Pin 1 and 2 are the input and pin 3 is not connected. Pin 4 and 5 are output, pin 6 is base. To test it, set the multimeter on diode option and put red probe on 1 and black on pin 2. There should be voltage drop of 1K and or above, and any other pins should not correspond to each other. As per results, it's a good optocoupler. Subscribe us at UA Technical Solutions for more.